Budgie in a cage is a cruel. The concept of keeping a bird in a cage is like a jail for humans, but actually this depends on the nature of the bird and the atmosphere being given to a bird in the cage. Our Budgie in a cage is not going to be a cruel act if we are providing all basic needs to the Budgie. Let's talk about why it is cruel to keep a freely flying bird in a cage. The answer is we are not taking enough care of the bird. If someone tries to justify this that he or she is taking good care, but when you get a chance to witness this act and find nothing equal to the level of birds' environment, then it is surely cruel to keep a bird in a cage. The need for the life of every bird is different. While adopting a bird as a pet, we have to acknowledge ourselves with the most basic requirements that are a priority for any bird to stay alive. For example, study the lifestyle of the common cuckoo. This bird is a carefree bird that eats the most disgusting insects on the ground. When it comes to mating and raising the family, cuckoos are not going to stick by the side of its children and mating partner. It leaves all of its children in the nest without giving any clue of coming back. So if such a bird is kept in a cage, does it sound still cruel? No, it's not cruel, because all a cuckoo needs is that disgusting insect to eat and sit idle. So nature varies from bird to bird. I'm going to put this at the end of the video so you can read on. Thank you for watching.